right, Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising here on the Adventure of the Seas with Royal Caribbean. And this morning we're going to do rock climbing. We're going to see how we do at that. Have you ever been rock climbing before?
No.
I have, but it's been a long time. We're definitely not as young as we used to be, but we're going to go up here and give it a try again anyway. You got it, baby. A very dramatic lay on the ground. Good job, baby. You still did it. I know, I saw you shaking. So tell us, how was it?
That was scary.
Did you have fun though?
Yes.
You tried it.
I tried it.
You did it.
I didn't do it.
Oh, come on, you did it. That counts.
I'm done.
Alright, so we're down here in Studio B for the ice skating show. So we're going to check that out and see how ice skating is.
Ladies and gentlemen, Royal Caribbean International and Willie B. Tat Productions would like to welcome you to this evening's exhibit of Kun Art.
But it's still a party. I promise you that. There's a lot of activities going on for everybody. We got name that tunes. They have live music all around the ship. The farewell show coming out this evening at 9:45 at the Lyric Theater. Make sure that you come over and watch a little bit of the comedy of Kirk Harris this evening as well. So, are you promise you coming to that one? Very good. Awesome. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Also, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow we are going back to Texas. It's not gonna be that sunny. It's not gonna be that cold. But we want to make sure that you are well prepared for tomorrow. So please make sure that if you feel that you're going walking around Cozumel once again tomorrow, it's not going to happen. So please make sure that you have something warm to wear tomorrow. Capiche?
All right, so we are in the dining room for the last night. Not that we've eaten in the dining room every night. We ate here last night.
Yeah.
And then we're eating here tonight, but it's been really good. We got our bread. You're good. And then,
You're good?
Yeah, you're good. Here. All right, so what you have in there, baby?
I think I'm gonna do the cheese bread again.
That one was very good.
Yesterday.
That one was very, very good. One more look here at the dining room. So this dining room is 3 stories, but since we have anytime dining, we're down here on level 1. But that's okay, we're here with a really good wait staff. So I don't actually want to go anywhere else, though I'm sure they're all good.
Oh yeah.
But I'm happy with ours. All right, so we're starting off with, I have the garden salad.
Coconut shrimp
Tiffany has coconut shrimp she's starting
with
off with.
sweet chili sauce.
With the sweet chili sauce for her appetizer tonight. So here for the main course, Tiffany's got the fish and chips with some coleslaw. What kind of sauce did you get over there?
That's just ketchup.
Oh, ketchup for your fries?
Mm-hmm.
All right. And over here, I got the turkey, potatoes, and corn with a little bit of cranberry sauce for our main course tonight. Oh, we got coffee service arriving here for Tiffany. She's got her coffee with her dessert.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, enjoy.
Awesome.
All right, thank you. All right, so what you got there, baby?
We're brain dead. It's a brownie with caramel and I don't know. It looks good.
All right.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got troubles in my heart. From this day on, smooth key in my heart. No matter what they say, you be here in my heart. When they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be. And I'll be there someday. I can go the distance, I will find my way. If I can be strong, I will be mine. I'll be I'll be right you can bring you fantastic to tell us no where to go. Say we're only kidding.
You can see her singing to the song. All right, and that's gonna end day 4 here on Adventure of the Seas. It has been a full day today. I mean, we had an absolute full day. Said Tiffany rock climbing, flow rider, water slides. We went to the is it hot and ice or fire and ice? We went to the show in Studio B, went and had dinner, went and listened to Disney music in the Schooner Bar there on the piano. Of course, we did that for Tiffany because she's such a huge Disney fan. Came back to the room. We're probably about 95% packed up, ready for disembarkation tomorrow. So we're going to finish up here, get ourselves a little bit of sleep, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning for disembarkation.